How many places have you already been to for the last time? I know it's rhetorical, and I know it's cliche, but humor me for a moment. Because aren't they what this is all about? Moments. There are plenty of photographers who are more accomplished than I am, who philosophize at great length what it means to capture the moment. And now, thanks to digital cameras and smartphones, anyone can take a photo. In fact, some studies estimate that every 2 minutes, humans take more photos than ever existed in total 150 years ago. That's trillions of moments archived daily. So, what does this have to do with wondering about how many places you've already been to for the last time? Well, here's my thought. Digital cameras use sensors to measure and convert light into data. That information is then converted and displayed as an image on screen. So the vast majority of these moments are, for lack of a better word, replicas. Casts from a mold of ones and zeros. But film, without sounding too artsy-fartsy, isn't a replica. It's a reaction. The shutter opens and light deteriorates the celluloid, creating an imprint known as the latent image. Later, this film is developed into a negative, which is then scanned and printed on paper as a photograph. So when you look at a film photograph, you're looking at a moment preserved, time and space fossilized forever. Now, I'm not some photography purist by any means. I learned on digital, I shoot digital most of the time, and digital is the future. But I carry my 35mm camera with me everywhere, because some places, some faces, some moments I'd rather preserve than replicate, should I unknowingly find myself in their presence for the last time. In 1686, Isaac Newton published his 3 laws of motion. The third of which is, for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Now, I'm no scientist, and as I'm sure you can imagine, I tend to over-romanticize things, but just maybe, every time you hold a film photograph, it also holds you. Wouldn't that be nice?